Do your trees look healthy? Are they struggling? Have you ever noticed whether they're growing in soil or surviving in dirt? After all, good soil is the key to healthy trees. Hi, I'm Greyson. Today I'd like to show you how we help our clients transform hard, lifeless dirt into healthy, living soil. Let's start right here in the forest, the place where trees grow best. Look down at all these beautiful layers of leaves, twigs, and other organic matter. A whole world living on the forest floor, a complex ecosystem of worms, fungi, and roots, all working together. The ground is soft and porous, almost like a sponge, ready to hold air and water. You should be able to take a screwdriver and stick it straight down into the soil with almost no effort. This is the type of soil that trees need to thrive. Now, let's compare that to what we normally find in the suburban environment. During development, heavy equipment scrapes away the living topsoil and smashes what remains, turning it into hard, dead dirt. Erosion increases, flooding becomes a problem, and our screwdriver test becomes pretty difficult. How is a tree or anything else supposed to live in that? So, how do we recreate in one day what nature builds slowly over many years? Let me show you. First, we need to break up the ground to restore the sponge. We use an air spade, a high-pressure air tool that breaks up compaction without harming tree roots. This instantly gives our soil the ability to breathe again. Next, we need to feed these living organisms that we're inviting back into the soil. Our favorite method? We take rich, rotting compost and mix it into our loosened dirt using our air spade. Finally, we need to protect all of that new biology with a thick layer of arborist wood chips. Wood chips help regulate soil moisture, regulate soil temperature, reduce compaction, and even feed the soil over time as they break down. Wood chips are awesome. Healthy soil is the foundation for a healthy ecosystem, an ecosystem that resists pests, withstands stress, and stays beautiful for decades. And in the long run, this means fewer problems, lower costs, and a more natural landscape that thrives.